What's up, guys? We're here with the donor from the Civic. We did a quick masking, located some dents, minor body work, and we're just sanding it, getting ready for next week.
We're in the booth, we're giving the car a good mask, and we're getting ready to put on 2 coats of primer.
Right now we're wet sanding with 400 grit, and soon we're going to transition it to 600 grit.
Hey guys, we're painting today. We're shooting 2 coats of the base coat, then the purple fill, and then 2 of the clear coat.